Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I have this 11-inch by 14-inch gallery wrapped canvas and I'm going to do another Dutch board. Lately, if you notice my channel, I'm working on Dutch board technique because this technique was always a challenge for me, and probably because I am more comfortable doing blooms, and blooms require thicker consistency of paints, and Dutch pour is completely the opposite. You need thinner consistency. So probably that was my biggest struggle, personal struggle with the Dutch pour. So I am using thinner paint consistency on these ones, but I think I can go even a little thinner than what I'm using right now. But whatever I'm getting right now as a result, I'm happy with that. So today I'm not going to use any split base. It's going to be all white, and the colors that I'm going to use for Dutch board are all different shades of greens. When I do that, I will explain or tell you the name of the colors that I'm using. So thank you so much today for joining me, and I hope you will enjoy my video. So once again, thank you for being here and supporting my channel. Permanent green, dark permanent green, Payne's gray, Jenkins green, Maria's shimmering, which you can buy it from Etsy, and it's Christina Welch's colors. It's amazing. Candy apple from Art's Mind. $24K gold. So this is close up. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, this color combination is to die for. Ooh. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, look at my dry results. How pretty it is. Oh my gosh. Look at the colors, and if I resin it, it's going to be a stunner. Oh my gosh, these colors. This is Jenkins green. No, this is Jenkins green, and this is the permanent green. It's and with some what is it, Payne's gray. I am telling you, the combination. Oh, and this is the candy apple. It's so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. So here we go.